In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sublimation coffee mug using Canva. Whether you're looking to create custom gifts or want to explore new crafting techniques, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to access Canva. If you haven't already explored Canva, let me share that it's a fantastic tool with a vast array of customizable design templates. Once you have Canva open, go ahead and type sublimation mug into the search bar at the top of your screen. This will bring up a wide range of mug templates specifically designed for sublimation. If you're unfamiliar, sublimation printing is a popular method for transferring designs onto a variety of surfaces, perfect for items like coffee mugs. Now that you've typed sublimation mug, take a moment to browse through the available templates. You'll see quite a variety in style and design, so make sure to select one that matches your vision or personal style. When you find a template that speaks to you, click on it to take a closer look at the design elements provided. With the template open, you'll want to locate the option that says customize this template. Clicking this will allow you to begin personalizing the design to suit your needs. One of the great things about Canva is its user-friendly customization features, which let you adjust colors, fonts, and other design elements with ease. If your chosen template includes text, you'll want to customize this to reflect your personal message or branding. Simply click on the text in the design and you'll see options to edit it. You can change the wording to include anything from names, inspirational quotes, or even a playful message. Remember to consider the color, style, and size of the text to ensure it complements the overall design. Once you're satisfied with how your design looks, you'll need to download the file. Canva makes it really straightforward. Just select the download button in the top right corner, choose your file type, and you're all set. Make sure to pick a high quality format suitable for printing, such as PNG or PDF, to ensure your design comes out crisp when transferred to the mug. Now that you have your design ready, it's time to proceed to the sublimation process itself. You'll transfer this design onto your coffee mug using a heat press. Most sublimation setups come with specific instructions for your particular machine, so be sure to follow those guidelines for the best results. And there you have it. You've now learned how to design and create your very own sublimation coffee mug using Canva. With this new skill, you can make personalized mugs for friends, family, or even start a small business. Thank you for joining me today, and happy crafting.